And we are live. Hello, hello everyone. Happy Saturday and welcome na napunta diri sa atong Go Live interview tonight. So, we're discussing a thought-provoking topic aning gabi una, no? So, yeah. The question for tonight is what's one thing you wish you could tell your younger self and why? And joining me is Sis Grace. She is a remarkable woman who is wearing many hats. So, Sis Grace, welcome to the show tonight.
Hi, sis Janet. Thank you for having me. yeah. Let me introduce myself, okay? Ako din ang
Yes.
pa-introduce. Hello, everybody. Grace here, coming to you from Ontario, Canada. And yeah, for those of you who don't know me yet, I'm a mom and I'm also a wife and I'm a full-time digital business owner. And I am a nurse by profession back in the Philippines. So, yeah, I'm so excited, sis, for this conversation because this is very dear to me. This topic.
Yes, yes. Yes. So before nato i-throw sa kang Sis Grace ang akong questions, no. By the way, nakalimtan akong introduce ang akong self. So, katanang Bisaya diha, maayong gabi from my end anya maayong adlaw. I don't know wherever you are watching. And sa mga waray, maupay nga aga, maupay nga gabi hayo nga tanan. My name is Janet Go. I'm based in New Jersey currently with my family. I have two girls. I'm a wife. I'm a dialysis nurse by profession, originally from the Philippines. So, nurse ko for since 2000, way back when I was still in the Philippines. And then I migrated from one country to the other and landed here in New Jersey. So, without further ado, let me you know, give you back this grace.
Yes.
So, as someone who's juggled multiple roles in life, what's one thing you wish you could tell your younger self and why?
Yes. 1 second, sis. Kaya nakalimot. Di ay ko. Okay, edit. Okay, mayong gabi, guys. Bisaya, di ko. Nakalimot kong storya. So, if I could talk to my younger self, ang akong isulti niya kay padayon lang. Padayon lang, Inday. Keep going. So, like, whatever you are going through right now, it's not forever. Dili na permanente. And I know it feels hard and you might think it will always be this way. Nagtuo ka nga permanente na pero dili. But trust me, dili gyud ka magstay diha nga situation. So the hard times you are facing now are going to help you grow stronger. Okay, Inday? So, since when I was younger, I often like felt so alone, Jude. And it wasn't just about not having someone physically around me, but also emotionally too. um I had no one to guide me, no one to help me like make sense of things kung unsay mga nahitabo. And it was tough, very very tough. And wait, kahilakon ko. And there were moments when I felt like I had like akong gialsatan na ng kalibutan. I had to carry the weight of the world on my own, right? Kay um kana nga feeling of being alone ning sticks jud na sa kuha, it sticks with me um growing up, but it also makes me tough.
Mm-hmm.
Little girl but very tough. So, nakinumdum ko those days nga kanang sa Pilipinas bitaw sis maninda man akong tiya og buwad sa merkado. So didto man ko nagpuyo sa ilaha. So I help her maninda sa buwad. So standing under this hot sun all day long para mutabang ko sa akong tiya kay syempre dito ko nagpuyo. So dapat mutabang jud ka para pakanon ka, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Like, yeah, trying to make ends meet pod.
Yes.
So I'd come home exhausted, tired. soak in sweat, and sometimes like I wondered if this was like a life had to offer for me. Like ang luha, singot, o kanang sa kakapoy nag-abot tanan bitaw. Bata pa ko ha. I started that when I was 10 years old. So, but even when it was hard, I kept going, Jude. I kept going. I kept going. Kayod lang. Kayod taman sa ginhawa. And I did not give up because hala, uy, ngano mo ko, imo kong gipahilak sis, uy, sa man imong topic, uy.
I'm so sorry because we're just here to, relate our story to the people.
Yeah,
So I'm so sorry, sis, but
that's okay.
your story is very inspiring.
Yeah, so I keep going. I didn't give up because deep down, kay bao jud ko, I knew this wasn't going to be my life forever. Kanang kay bao ko nga naagigilaan ang Ginoo para nako, basta kailangan dili lang jud mo give up. So if I could go back and I'd tell that younger version of me, akong sultian nga, your situation right now doesn't define where you're going. O tinuod man jud na. So what you're going through, it's just part of the journey. And it's building you into someone nga who will become stronger, someone who can handle whatever life throws at her, right? And the struggles you face now are just shaping you for success later. And mo na ni karon. Yeah, finding this digital business really changed everything for me, and it allowed me to like escape that life of constrained hard work, and it gave me the freedom to be there for my family. Mao man gyud na akong number one nga goal sa life, ug mao gyud na akong number one nga kanang wish jud ba ang akong pangandoy. And I didn't just gain financial security in this business. I gained the time that's very important for me, time to be with my daughter, time to be with my husband, time to create the family that I never had growing up. Mao jud na ang number one. So that's something I didn't even think was possible back then. Okay, I didn't have that man. So murag mao na ang na mindset bitaw nga na change pud siya. So to my younger self, I'd say na you are going to make it. Yes, you are going to make it, Inday. You're going to build a life you never thought you could have. And a life where you can take care of your family and be present for them. The family you always wish you always wish for as a kid, right? And kana bitong sa eskwelahan nga walay mo attend sa imong PTA meeting, sakit jud kayo na sis, manumbay ko sa akong classmate sa una siyang mama palihog og sign sa akong panganbi nga naatinan ko nimo, maapil kog kuan kay na may points basta basta naay mo attend sa PTA meeting. So yeah, ako inaw na kung ang younger self na you are going to create that family yourself and with love and care, and it's going to be the most beautiful thing, and it is. It happened.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh my
sorry
God.
kayo sis, emotional jud ko.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you so much. That's what I love about this business, because you're able to like get out of your comfort zone, and you're able to tell your story, to tell your life story. Because I wala man ko kahibaw sa imong story, good sis. You made me teary-eyed as well while listening to your testimony. So oh my God, your story is great. You made me speechless, actually. Thank you so much. Sis. Tinuod na imong mga gipangsulti gyud. Because I know that we grew up in a different, like environment, different life stories, but kasabot gyud ko, makarelate ko sa imong kuan, sa imong pagdako bitaw. Yeah, so for me, as I reflect on my journey, no, I wish I could tell my younger self to be more patient, to be more patient and compassionate to myself. No, because ako as a nurse, I was always caring for others. Like I said, I've been working as a nurse for over 20 years now. And kana bitong magsigira as makarelate man kano, labi na ta mga Pilipino. We are workaholic. If we
Mhm.
could do 2 to 3 jobs, we will do it, right?
Yes. Tinood.
But oftentimes we neglect taking care of ourselves, our
Yeah.
own selves, our own well-being, even our own family. No, we can always provide all the nursing interventions that we learned from our skills from school to our patients, but when it comes to us, to ourselves and our family, magkuwang ta.
Mhm.
We don't realize that until ma-experience nato nga kita na magkasakit, no?
Yes.
So, ako as a mom and a wife, no, I put so much pressure on myself to be perfect. But I know
Mm.
that we're not perfect, But I learned that self-care and self-love are always essential in thriving sa tanang area sa atong life, no? So, mao gyud na importante. That's actually what brought me into this business
Mhm.
because all my nursing years, I've been working hard from, American Samoa. Way back from the Philippines, we were in American Samoa until we came here, working 14 to 16 hours a day until, you know, um, I I had this medical condition and I realized that I have taken for granted taking care of myself.
Mhm.
So, mao na ang akong ikasulti nga I know we work hard, but don't forget to take care of ourselves as well.
100%. Yeah.
Because how can we provide the quality care to other people
Mhm.
when we don't take care of ourselves?
That's true.
Yeah. So once again, to all our viewers, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something from tonight's
Mhm.
discussion. And Sis Grace, any last words of encouragement for our audience before we end?
Sure. So, to anyone listening live or on our replay, ang akong mensahe is padayon lang. Padayon lang mo guys. Keep going. Remember na ang hard work, your struggles, they aren't for nothing. Wala na dili na ihatag sa Ginoo ninyo kung wala siya gi-prepare para ninyo, right? And those struggles, they are leading you to something better, something best para ninyo. Basta makahuwat lang jud, be patient and take action whatever you needed to do to go there to get on that goal, right? So this digital business for me gave me the chance to change my life, to break free from the tough days and like to build a future that I'm proud of. Yes, and if I had given up back then, I wouldn't be where I am today. So yeah, keep going, padayon lang, and I also, if I given up, I wouldn't have the freedom, the peace, or like the family I've always dreamed of. So, whatever you're facing now, remember it's just temporary, guys. You, but di ba na ay kuan nga, the only constant is change, right? So it's whatever you are facing, this too shall pass. So keep pushing through because on the other side, there's a life full of blessings waiting for you guys. So,
Yes.
mora na ako. So this is
Yes, thank you, sis. And to add up to what Sis Grace said, remember that we're born to succeed. Okay, so yeah, I agree. Keep going. Okay, there are always challenges that comes along with our journey, but giving up is not an option.
100%.
Yeah, so please remember that quitters don't win and winners don't quit.
Yes.
Okay, so keep going and take the first step. Okay, take action and see. how your life could change according to, to what you want, right?
Mhm.
So once again, thank you for joining us tonight, Sis Grace. And your honesty and vulnerability will surely inspire our audience.
Mhm.
Okay, anya kanang remember lang, to be kind to your younger self and prioritize your own well-being. Okay, and yeah, enjoy the journey, never quit, keep going. Okay, and remember that God has plans for all of us. Okay, so until next time, stay empowered and enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.